draining in there.
And down the wall.
And running down there.
Water damaged plaster. Basically comes out. And then behind the timber damage.
It's also letting moisture come in, which has caused this to rot away and crumble.
So what we can see here is a beam that picks up the balcony from above, and this is mould and rot that is degrading this structural element, and it's due to the construction of the balustrade above. If you just see here, the original builder has fixed through bits of chipboard, probably what the kitchens were made out of, pieces of EPS, down through the top capping. That's caused a weak point where water's entered into the structure and over time has caused the degradation of this structural element. There's no waterproofing or weatherproofing to the bottom plate of the timber, so moisture rises up from below and rots that timber out. This issue with the lack of weatherproofing to the timber is present around the entire building. This stud wall here is not engaging on anything. There's nothing below. So this is basically floating in the wind and then transferring that load back onto the other timber members, which is not how it was designed. It's picking up the balcony above and it's degraded by mould and rot. So you can imagine the kind of structural issues this will pose. The original builder has cut out a massive chunk of the balcony floor joist, and that means that that element is now taking zero to no load. You can see here is some pretty significant movement that's opened up a joint between the two balconies. The window hasn't been waterproofed properly. It's caused water to exit from the inside out. You can see down here the signs of that degradation. Pretty consistent throughout the building. We have penetrations through the concrete slab that haven't been coordinated properly and haven't been fire rated. So all of these individual penetrations, and we count 90 of them in total throughout the basement, would need to be rectified. The builder's got the height of the column incorrect, and then he's put another bit of column above that. There's questions as to whether the reinforcement's been continued properly in here.